Hi everyone, this is my review of the Vallejo liquid mask. I've been playing around with this since my wife bought it for a project that she was working on. You use liquid mask to mask off an area that you don't want paint to get on, say if you're airbrushing or something like that. She was working on a rocking horse, and around the eye she couldn't use masking tape because it was far too fiddly, so liquid mask was absolutely perfect for it. You apply it, and then once it's dry, you can then do your painting, and then you peel off the liquid mask. Now, I can probably show you on here. I just put a little bit of liquid mask there, and as you can see, it just comes off really quite quickly. I put some on this little horse before. You may not be able to see this as well, but as you can see, it's not quite dry, but that will come off as well. So if you were painting that and you didn't want the paint to go onto that particular region, you can put some liquid mask on. Now, just a couple of tips. If you're using it on paper, and I know a lot of artists do, don't leave it on too long. Don't sort of put it on and then paint it or paint over it the next day, because it can stain a little bit if you're, say, working on canvas or on paper. But if you're on plastics or models and things, it's absolutely perfect. And you can just pick it off with a toothpick or some tweezers, or even just your nail usually takes it off. So it's a great little tool to have, and you'll never know. It's cheap as chips. So grab a bottle of Vallejo liquid mask and have a play around with that, because I'm sure you will find it very useful.